Hi friends, this is a wonderful website for electronics and furniture store, and it has been made using WooCommerce WordPress theme. And in this video we are going to illustrate the complete features, functionality, installation process, demo import process for this particular theme. This is Barbary WordPress theme and it is a modern WooCommerce theme. The theme has been developed by Temesh and it is working on the web since 2018, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. Barbary is a modern, fully responsive, Retina ready WooCommerce theme. Barbary theme is suitable for any kind of shop like furniture, cloth, electronics, accessories, watches or any other. So you can start your store right away using Barbary theme. This is a wonderful theme having 3 pre-made website with this, and I'll show you. This one is the first one and it is really having a stunning look, modern, to the point, and presenting the content in a very specific manner. I am showing you another as well. This is another one, and so you have choices to choose for your website, and yes, it has a very clear and professional approach to present the content, and you can see how the products being displayed and how actually it is really an example of professional website. And floating shop cart is also here, so it is perfect for electronics and furniture, I believe, and this is why it has been chosen for this channel. And as you know, WP Themes channel brings all the wonderful WordPress themes for you, and this is another great example of a perfect e-commerce WordPress theme. So without any further delay, let us begin the installation. And I have a fresh installation of WordPress that is running 2021 WordPress theme by default, and it is on the latest version of WordPress. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have demo content given separately. Furniture demo content has been supplied in the theme pack, and documentation, licensing, some plugins has been given. So ACF, advanced custom fields, visual composer, revolution slider, and Barbary extensions has been given in the plugin folder. In the theme files we have the main theme file and the child theme file. So we shall be using these files for our installation purpose. To begin the installation, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, and okay, it may take a bit time. My internet is not working properly, in fact, but it does not matter. So we are going to install. Click on add new. So nothing is hidden in my videos, so this is why this is the beauty of this channel. So what steps I am following, you may follow the same steps for installation, and this video is going to give you complete overview of Barbary WordPress theme so that you may take your buying decision wisely. So in the theme section we have to click on upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the barbary.zip that is laying under the theme files. And remember, don't upload the complete folder that is coming in the theme packs. You have to just select barbary.zip, that is only the installable theme file. And if you are having direct access on your server, that is on file manager, or you are using FTP manager, so you can upload the same theme file in the WP content themes folder, and it is very simple to upload through this interface. So I am using the same. I just wish to show you the theme file size that is actually very low in size, and it is an indication of the great WordPress theme, that is optimized WordPress theme. So the size was just 3.51 MB, and it is rare that such a lightweight theme is available in the WooCommerce. Okay, so we are going to get advantage of speed with this theme, of course. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is these. So macOS should be deleted, it is somehow not wanted here. And we got the Barbary folder that is containing all the theme components, folders and files. So now we can delete the zip one, it is not required, we have already extracted it. Okay, fine. So now it is time to go back in the theme section, and yes, we have Barbary as another theme options along with the default theme, and detail is this is Barbary version 2.9.8, and Barbary is a premium WordPress and WooCommerce theme. Okay, so we can activate it, and upon activation we got landed on the setup wizard section, and this is going to give us the way to complete the setup process. And we can simply start the wizard and the screen will tell you each and everything. So let us click on start, and first of all this is a very important screen that is showing the server requirements, and value are just a recommendation, not a static requirement. So, but it should all be green here, and without green I don't advise to proceed ahead for demo or something like that. So this is being the requirement, server requirement you can say. And if you are ordering the Barbary WordPress theme by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting the same capacity server. As you can see on the screen, all is green already, and you can install your WordPress at your end. However, the hosting plan comes in with a pre-installed theme that you are selecting. Just follow the link given in the description and you shall be getting all the information there, and you can get the pre-installed Barbary WordPress theme, and you shall be getting the same capacity server. So as you are watching on the screen, let us proceed for next. And it is saying that we can install the child theme. For development purpose, the child theme is good to install. We will definitely install the child theme as well. And now the next screen is for plugins, and advanced section is showing what plugins are required and what we can select not to install even. But at the initial stage I will recommend to install all the plugins that has been required and recommended, and we can take a view. So advanced custom field is already here, Barbary theme extension is required, and WP Bakery page builder required, and WooCommerce is of course required because it is of course being an e-commerce website. Contact Form 7 is here. Envato Market we can skip to install because we are not going to take updates. Safe SPG and Slider Revolution is also being used. Slider Revolution is being used for the hero images, and WooCommerce variation swatches for the swatches. So these are WooCommerce extensions, and rest all plugins are required in my opinion. So I am simply clicking on install, and the screen will do rest of thing. So in the background, and as we can see, 2 plugins has been already installed within few seconds, and now next is going on. We have to wait on this screen until the plugin installation process gets complete. And now all plugins required and recommended has been installed successfully. It took hardly a minute, and now it is time to import the demo content. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the plugin and the set of theme, so that we may understand the basic look of Barbary WordPress theme. And if you are in plan for making your website without any demo content, that means if you want to use your own blocks and design wireframes, you can start building your website from here. You shall be getting the complete features of theme, plugins, and all the benefits of theme and plugins from this stage. So, but WordPress is known for pre-made website, and we are targeting a website like this. So it is mandatory to import the demo content at this stage. because we need a pre-made website. And once the demo gets imported, I'll show you all the theme options and customization options. So let us import the demo content first. Simply click on import, and this is the screen, which is going to take time, and it depends on your server capacity, the connection with the developer server, and it is, as I assume, it may take up to 5 minutes. So it all depends on the connection and servers. So we have to wait on this screen without hitting the back button or refreshing the page. So remember, don't refresh the page until we get any message on the screen, and the progress bar is saying the percentage what has been done in the background. So just wait and let the process to be completed. And now we are on the screen that is saying all done, have fun. That means the demo content has been successfully imported, and now we can take a look at our website, how it looks up after importing the demo. I mean with the demo and all. And yes, so complete website is here. But yes, just do remember, images has not been provided in the demo content. That is, it may be a copyright issue of images. This is why it has not been provided, but it does not matter. We finally don't need images for our website. That was only for display purpose, and we can use our own images just in case you want to. If you want to use this image, so you can simply save the image and use on the your website. So I'll show you how it can be done. And if you want to use the demo image just in case, so you can open the link in the Firefox web browser and click on the in the link that is SSL link, and click on more information and hit on media. So you can get all the images here. Just in case if you want to use any image, you can download the image from here. I'm just showing you how you can do this, so it is not hard and fast. So this is being the main image, one of the main image, and we can select this image for, okay, so this is being the main image and I am saving this image. So okay, yeah, and similarly you can download all the images, and there are tools to download all images in one go as well. So but it is not recommended to use the demo image. It may be a copyright issue. I am just showing how it can be done in fact. Okay, so we have a ready website with us, and this is being the outcome website, and this is the slider section. Okay, so we can go back to the dashboard, and this theme uses a revolution slider. So we can simply go to the revolution slider section for hero image area, and since slider is already here, product showcase, somehow the images are here but it is not working, but I'll definitely check. And okay, so this image is here, and product showcase, so there are 2 slides available here. It should work, I believe. So let us go back. So I'm not inserting any image as of now. We can go back. Okay, so just go back to the dashboard, and we may check the website. This is not showing any image, and we can use edit with WP Bakery page builder. And this is being the slider area. Simply click on the slider setting link, and okay, so background image is not here. So as I can see in the background, this area, I mean the main page of hero image area, as the content we have imported, this is not using the slider revolution. This is why it is not being displayed. However, if we can check the home modern, let us see if yes, so the demo images that is provided in the slider revolution is here. So it means the images for the furniture hero images has been provided in the slider revolution, but not for the another home modern like demo. So yeah, okay, home modern is available, full screen slider, we may check. So we have received each and everything as has been provided in the demo content itself. Okay, so we can check the, so I was saying how to upload the image, just in case if you are willing to use this slider only. So simply click on edit page with the backend editor, WP3 backend editor, and click on the slider, and we have already downloaded one Bluetooth image, and I believe the new portable Bluetooth speaker is here, and we can expand this. And so image is not here, so we can add one image here that we have already downloaded, and this is being the image. Let us see what happens. Okay, and this has been uploaded, and I am saving the change and updating it. So I am also doing with the U on the screen. As I said, nothing is hidden, and this is how to customize your website. Yes, so it is here. So it is very simple to handle the content. In fact, this is why I was showing you how you can edit the page contents. So in just in case if you are using the furniture layout, that is home modern, so you are already having the images for that. However, you are ultimately going to change the image, as this is not for your website, I believe. Okay, so we have each and everything, and we have now complete website. Now we can conclude that the installation process of Burberry WordPress WooCommerce WordPress theme was smooth, and we can do it at our own without any trouble. And now I'll show you the theme options and the desktop option that we got in this installation. I will show only the new one, that is what we have got in addition to WordPress. So this is variation swatches also, and this is for variation swatches and rest of settings. So you can do that from here. Pages and rest of things are common as in WordPress. Custom fonts and slider revolution has been given. So nothing, no additional theme panel has been given. So only theme setup is here that we have already used, that is welcome page, and we don't need to use this, and we can even disable this wizard since we have already used. And I believe rest of things can be handled through the appearance and customize option. So let us open that. Okay, so rest of settings has been given here only, so it can be referred as the theme panel or customization panel, whatever you may say. So all sections, site identity, global, enable lazy load and performance, rest of things has been given here. Style we can change from here. Header area, so in the header area you can insert the logo. So for changing the logo you have to be on header area. Style and color we have already used. STK header. So all settings, top bar, header elements, page headings and search is available here. Similarly, typography has been given just in case you want to change the fonts and rest of things. Blog setting, footer can be handled from here. So there are choices to have the columns in the footer, and similarly the payment options can be handled from here. I mean the icons of payment. Okay, it is also good and it is very simple to set. So WooCommerce settings are here, social media settings has been given, login and register option is here, so and homepage setting is here, so you can choose the homepage, and I'll show you what pages we have received in the demo content itself. So it is a very simple installation process, and the main objective of this video was to take you through the complete features and functionality that we are going to get with the Barberry WordPress theme. And 22 pages has been provided as the demo page, and we can definitely use these pages for our website, and I believe you shall be able to make a good website like the demo one using the Barberry WordPress theme. Just in case you are having any question regarding this theme, you may simply ask in the comment section of this video, and you can also follow the link given in the description of this video. So the link, one link in the description will tell you each and everything, and you can get the theme and hosting plans and all such things there. So I believe I have told you each and everything about this theme, and we shall be meeting in another video that is bringing WordPress theme, utilities or plugin for you. Keep building. Thank you.